There's Lola and there's Buddy. Hi, Missy. Missy's our new baby here today. Hi, Amelia. Amelia's new. And there's Bo visiting today. Kaya, Kira. Winston's new. He started yesterday. Maggie and Zoe and Sam is here today. Daddy. Chester and Charlie are here. Yes, they are. Hey, baby. And CJ. Busy man with the ball. Hello, Lola. Pretty girl. Hey, babies. Pretty babies on the road. Hi, Jazz. Are you hiding from all of us? Hi, pretty girl. Hello, sweetheart. We've missed you. And Nico's here. And Buddy. Handsome Buddy, of course. They like their new Kong tennis balls. Molly's here. There's Molly. Buddy's checking out the squeaker of the new tennis ball, making sure it works. Got some happy guys in the daycare today. Yes, we do. And hi, Kaya. Pretty girl. You're always pretty, aren't you? Well, Sam, hello. Sam. Having a good time in daycare today, huh? Are you? Missy, you're so cute. Hey, pretty girl. How are you, sweetheart? CJ, give me that ball right now and I'll throw it for you. How's that? You ready, CJ? Ready? Let me throw it? Amelia, hi, pretty girl. Can you get the ball? Winston, what are you doing over there, honey? Come here, Winston. Come on, Winston, come on. Here we go. Minnie Moo, where's Minnie? There's Princess Minnie. Hi, sweetheart. How could I have forgotten to introduce you? Minnie's one of our longest customers at daycare here. Right, yeah. You've come a long time here, haven't you?